Alright, so this is a dual player Red Hot, and I have an E1 error on both wheels. I just replaced this wheel and sensor from a different machine, and it's still giving an E1 error. This one is saying E1 and E2. It was saying E2, but that was because the wheel wasn't turning, and so it didn't know where its home sensor is. As far as the boards, I got the audio board here. I don't have a speaker to test it with, so I'll have to... Actually, I should hook up a speaker and see if anything happens with that. Don't seem to have any shorts, which is great. That's wired up. That's a new board there because the old one died. This is the old one here, and it had a capacitor that blew off of it. Which, funny enough, it still worked. That was really weird. Anyway, still trying to figure this one out. If anyone has any ideas other than decluttering the desk, thank you. Let me know. Thank you.